Hey YouTube, JetBlue595 here with a new unboxing video. This time of a pretty rare plane to find. It's the US Airways Boeing 757-200 in its old livery. I found this plane with a couple of others on air400.com, and this unfortunately was the last one, so I got really lucky. I got really lucky and I lucked out. So I'm glad to have this plane now, and I think it'll look good next to my US Airways 737. So this is the front of the box. It has the old US Airways logo there, made for collectors by collectors, the Gemini Jets logo, the picture of the model, US Airways, about your collectible registration number, N633AU, other stuff. It's a 2000 Gemini Jets release. So let's get down to the unboxing so you can see some more of the detail. Sorry. Ooh, this is very nice. Ooh, yes, I like this one very much. Very nice. Okay, so here's the model. It's very nice. It's in its older livery, as you can obviously tell. Has the Rolls-Royce engines. Registration. Right back there. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a two-piece thing. Has the stabilizers on a different piece that was attached to the plane, because it's one of the older models. Same thing with the wings. They were attached separately. Wheels do not roll, unfortunately, but that's alright with me. I don't really mind that. So, it's a pretty nice, very nice model, actually. Detail is fantastic, as you can obviously see here by just looking at the cargo hold. Looks fantastic. If it'll focus. There we go. Yeah. See, so you got your US Airways logo, the wings, the other cargo doors, registration, and then the tail. So, that's pretty much it. Bottom, standard bottom, front landing gear, all the way down, Gemini Jets, stand hole, down to the back. So we'll put it over here at this gate, right here, next to the other US Airways. So there we go. Looks pretty cool there, with the two US Airways. And then I have my other United 757-200. So that kind of looks cool next to each other there, and then those two. So, yeah, you gotta fix it just a little bit. There we go. Alright, looks good now. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and look out for my other unboxings. Alright, thanks. Bye.